Good day, everybody. John Henderson, Pierre, the Beverage Ramble, back again with you. Another rambling edition today. We're looking at Kona Brewing Company, Big Wave. As I said previously, I thought I had done all the Kona beers that were out there. Some of my videos I've done, but I guess I did not do. I did one recently, which was their Island Lager, and now I'm doing the Big Wave, the Golden Ale, which is an American blonde ale style, 4.4% ABV. So I was at the store and I said, okay, and I looked at all my videos that I've done, and I typed in Kona and I said, nope, Mr. P, you didn't do that one. So here we are doing this one. So, all right, here we go. American blonde ale, 4.4% ABV. Gets a good score on Beer Advocate. Blonde ale, one that comes to mind, Dayspring, but the one that many people know considered a blonde ale, as I said, is Valentine Ale. That one was, I didn't know it was a blonde ale. I thought it was just your standard American lager, but come to find out, it is a blonde ale. So can't get it anywhere in this part of the country. Here in the southeast, I can only get it back home in New Jersey, but right now things are not good in that homes in my area. So yeah, anyway, here's what the beer looks like. Kind of your standard yellow, a lot of fizz up top, a lot of haze at the top. And you see my face. Okay. There's a sweetness to it. There's definitely a very malty, bit hoppy aroma I'm getting from this. And I might need glasses to wear to see some of the documentation. Very malty, sugary, has a sort of nice aromatic scent to it. So let's go on and sip. Nice aroma, very nice. Nice, good finish. Very nice body. I can't read some of the writing on this. It has a sort of very sweet sort of mix of a pale ale IPA flavor to it. It's kind of hard, man, to kind of, square it up and see what it is. It is, like I said, it's a blonde ale, but golden ale, another golden ale I had, cheap sunglasses from Faro Brewing. But this one was not as, that one was not as hoppy and flavorful as this one. Really nice. Kona, of course, based in the islands of Hawaii. They're a part of the Craft Brewers Alliance, which is under the ownership of AB-InBev. There are a couple of beers under that umbrella. You have Windmere, I believe it is. Another beer, I guess the people who are behind Red Hook IPA, which is based on the West Coast, out in Seattle, Washington State, city of Seattle, the city of Seattle, the state of Washington. A few other beers. So they've Craft Brewers Alliance, AB-InBev bought out the rest of Craft Brewers Alliance in 2019. So now I guess the beer is under the ownership of them. AB-InBev. So distribution is pretty much everywhere for this beer. I've had their IPA, their Hanani Island IPA. I've had their porter. All their beers have been pretty much pretty good, and I've given them pretty much a good rating when I review them. So again, I was at the store the other day, and I said to myself, you know, okay, I'm picking this up. I said, all right, let me see. I see this. I bought this at Greer's Cash. I said, okay, I don't know if I've reviewed this yet, but and boom, there it is. I had not reviewed that beer. So there it is. A nice sweetness, a nice firm texture to it. Very full bodied. This is just on point, man. This is just a good blonde ale. So, what I'm going on with this, and I'm going to leave it right there. Yeah, sorry, y'all. Today was just a long, crazy day. I've just been figuring out, trying to deal with some things right now, and yeah, this is a long, crazy day. It's just been a long, crazy year. COVID, everything going on, just life situations have happened, you know, a lot of stuff. So, anyway, good brew, good beer, very well made. So I'm gonna go. I know beer says good. I'm gonna go very good. Very good. So that'd be what? That's a B for good. I guess I'm gonna go B plus. Very good. Yeah, very good. So this will be an 8.6, 8.7 for the Big Wave by Kona. Big Wave Golden Ale. So if you see it, get it, try it, like it. It's not bad. So 8 points to score for the blonde ale. Sean Anderson Pierre, the beverage round. I did that too early. Sean Anderson Pierre, the beverage round team. Keep on watching as always. Cheers, live, laugh, and love. Kona, ride the wave, big ale. Ooh, surfing dude, yeah.